Friends, good morning. I will discuss about the adrenergic drugs or sympathomimetics. Going to the real lecture, before I will tell about the these basic terms definitions. What are pressure agents, bronchodilators, CNS stimulants, and uterine relaxant? All the first go into the this basic definitions and come back to this drug classification. First go into the these definitions. What are pressure agents? Or pressure means it is a vasopressor agents. You know about vasopressin hormone. It is a vasodilating hormone or vasodilating agent. Then it is a decrease the blood pressure. This is called vasodilating agent. Then it is then second one is the bronchodilator. What are bronchodilator? The dilate the bronchial tubes of the lung by relaxing bronchial muscles. It is used to treat asthma, COPD and allergic reactions. COPD means chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases. What are next? Third one is CNS stimulants. What are stimulant? The stimulates the body, human body means the wakefulness, alertness, decreased sense of fatigue, elevation of mood, increased capacity of concentrate, then euphoria, increased motor and speech activities. Then fourth one is uterine relaxants are also called tocolytics. Child's terminator tocolytics are called childbirth terminators. Then induce or facilitate labor. What is the function of relaxants are? Induce or facilitate labor. Then to reduce postmortem hemorrhage. To reduce postmortem hemorrhage. Postmortem hemorrhage means after birth of a child there is a removal of blood. There is a going to blood waste. Blood waste is coming. This reduce the blood waste. Then to induce the abortion. These are the function of uterine relaxants. Then fifth one is the cardiac stimulants. The cardiac stimulants, what are cardiac stimulants? They increase the positive chronotropic action. What is chronotropic? The chronotropic is heart rate. Chronotropic means heart rate. The increase the heart rate. Cardiac stimulant increase the heart rate and increasing a positive inotropic action. What is inotropic means? Strength of heart contraction. It is called inotropic. Increase the strength of heart contraction. Then sixth one is nasal decongestants. What are nasal decongestants? The treat nasal congestion. Uses are to treat nasal congestion. These are applied to nasal passages to reduce congestion and discomfort due to allergies and common cold. This cause blood vessels in the nasal passages to shrink, are also called vasoconstrictor. Nasal decongestants act as a vasoconstrictor in the nasal passage. Seventh one is the anorectics or anorexic. Both are same. To reduce appetite and resulting in lower food consumption. What is the uses of anorectics? Reduce the appetite, resulting in lower food consumption and leading to weight loss. These are the uses of main definitions of headings. Then go into the classification. First is the pressure agents means vasopressor. You know the pressure means vasopressor or vasodilating agents. Vasodilating agents are noradrenaline or norepinephrine, ephedrine, dopamine, phenylephrine, methoxamine, mephenteramine. Next, bronchodilators, isoprenaline, salbutamol, terbutaline, salmeterol, formoterol, bambuterol. Next, CNS stimulants, amphetamine, dexamphetamine, methamphetamine, methylphenidate. Next, uterine relaxants, ritodrine, isoxazoprine, salbutamol, terbutaline. Then cardiac stimulants, adrenaline, isoprenaline, dobutamine. Next, nasal decongestants, xylometazoline, oxymetazoline, nafozoline, phenylephrine, phenylpropanolamine, pseudoephedrine. Next, anorectics, amphetamine, fenfluramine, dexfenfluramine, sibutramine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.